सर मैंने दो चीज आज आपसे जो सीखा है कि पहले तो जो लाइफ को जीना कैसा है, और जो अपनी फैमिली के साथ, और जो सैटरडे अपनी वाइफ के साथ मूवी जरूर देखना है।
As a female doing a business and balancing the life, it's more difficult. और उसमें चूज करना कि मीटिंग ज्यादा जरूरी है कि बच्चे को देखना, तो हमारे लिए ऑप्शंस बहुत टफ हो जाते हैं। सो आज मुझे ये समझ में आया कि जो मैंने किया कि मेरे को पहले बेबी को देखना है, दैट इज सच में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। थैंक यू सो मच सर, गिव मी दिस थिंग।
पूर्णिमा, हमको पता नहीं था जब उमा और हम बिजनेस स्टैब्लिश कर रहे थे, हम 18 घंटे काम करते थे। हमने बच्चे ऐसे बड़े होते नहीं देखे, ऐसे बड़े होते थे, और आज भी वो टाइम निकल गया, दोबारा वापस नहीं आता है। सो यू आर वेरी राइट। Today we're going to talk about prioritization. Very, very important subject, because as we go through the life and we don't know how we spend our day, how we spend our every hour, every minute, month and year, it just passes by and we don't even understand what's going on with us. We leave behind a lot of relationships, a lot of important work. So let's go over prioritization. All right, so as my first slide is always gratitude to Saransh Gupta for making this PPT. He's very good at it, always helps me. Yesterday night he sent me at 1 o'clock this thing. So what is understanding priority management? Imagine life is a game in which you are juggling some 5 balls in the air. You name them: work, family, health, friends, and spirit. And you are juggling all those 5 balls. And you are keeping all these in the air. I mean, कुछ गिरना नहीं चाहिए, सबको एयर में रखना है. You will soon understand that work is a rubber ball. If you drop it, it will bounce back. But the other 4 balls, family, health, friends, and spirit, are made of glass. If you drop one of these, just one of these, they will be irrevocably scuffed, marked, nicked, damaged, or even shattered. They will never be same. You must understand that and strive for balance in your life. So we're going to talk about balance today. The do's and don'ts. Don't underestimate your worth by comparing yourself with others. It is because we are different than each. We are special. We are very unique. Every birthday I say thanks to my parents. Thank you, mom and dad. Because सुरेश वंशरमानी एक ही है, ना था, ना होगा, ना है. एक ही सुरेश वंशरमानी है, और you are all unique. We don't have to be anyone else. Don't set your goals by what other people dream. Only you know what is best for you. Don't take for granted the thing closest to your heart. Without them, life is meaningless. Don't let your life slip through your fingers by living in the past or by future, by living your life one day at a time. You live all the days of your life. So don't give up when you still have something to give. Nothing is really over until the moment you stop trying. Giving is the biggest joy. It gives you, if you make someone happy, it gives you 10 times more happiness. If you give someone business here at Tajurba, you get 10 times more business to you. It's proven. Bakul bhai, Parag bhai are more experienced than me in the networking area. They all understand this. Don't be afraid to admit that you are less than perfect. No one is perfect. You are perfect in your imperfection. This is a very big statement. Go deep into it. You are perfect in your imperfection. Don't be afraid to encounter risk. It is by taking chances that we learn how to be brave. Don't shut love out of your life by saying it's impossible to find. The quickest way to receive love is to give. The fastest way to lose love is to hold it too tightly, and the best way to keep love is to give it wings. Don't run through the life so fast that you forget not only where you have been, but also where you are going. Don't forget that a person's greatest emotional need is to feel appreciated. What gets appreciated gets repeated. Find reasons to appreciate people. Hunt for good behavior with your family, with your children, with your factory workers, with your employees, and you'll see some magic happening. Whatever you appreciate, it will be repeated by the other person. You'll see more of that behavior. Don't be afraid to learn. Knowledge is weightless, a treasure you can always carry easily. Doesn't carry any weight. Don't use time or words carelessly, neither can be retrieved. Life is not a race but a journey to be savored each step. Andhe ka beta andha. Ek Mahabharat ho gayi. Be careful what you speak. Watch this amazing video. A lot of you must have watched this before, but it's very, very relevant here.
There's a well-known story about a university professor who wanted to make a point about how we make the most of our time. The professor stood before his class with some items in front of him. When the class began, without speaking, he picked up a large empty jar and proceeded to fill it with rocks about 2 inches in diameter. He then asked the students if the jar was full. They agreed that it was full. So the professor then picked up a box of pebbles and poured them into the jar. He shook the jar lightly and watched as the pebbles rolled into the open areas between the rocks. The professor then asked the students again if the jar was full. They chuckled and agreed that it was indeed full this time. The professor picked up a box of sand and poured it into the jar. The sand filled the remaining open areas of the jar. Now, said the professor, I want you to recognize that this jar signifies your life. The rocks are the truly important things, such as family, health, and relationships. If all else was lost and only the rocks remained, your life would still be meaningful. The pebbles are the other things that matter in your life, such as work or school. The sand signifies the remaining small stuff and material possessions. If you were to put sand into the jar first, there is no room for the rocks or the pebbles. The same can be applied to your lives. If you spend all your time and energy on the small stuff, you will never have room for the things that are truly important. Pay attention to the things in life that are critical to your happiness and well-being.
The last part
Take
is
time
have a
to look
glass
after
of
your
wine
health
with your
by-
friends. Alright, so this was very, very clear. Golf ball, family, health and friend. Pebbles are job, house and car. Sand is all work. And if you I guarantee you, if you, end of the day, if you write your journal, how you spent your day, you will see that most of time is spent on sand and pebbles. Very little time to golf balls. So, these are few techniques for setting priority. ABC analysis, a technique that has been used in for a long time is the categorization. The ABC analysis allows you to prioritize your task into 3 different categories. A, tasks that are urgent and important. B, tasks that are important but not urgent. C, tasks that are neither urgent nor important, which is WhatsApping, Facebooking, not for business or your branding, or any other distraction, gossiping, talking to, in your working time, faltu ka gupshup. So ABC analysis is frequently combined with Pareto analysis. So Pareto analysis is a formal technique used where many possible courses of action are competing for attention. Very, very important. Pareto you can see every day in your life. So your 20% effort bring 80% results. Your 80% business comes from 20% customers. Your 20% staff will be most efficient. Apply it everywhere and spend that, grow this 20%. Work on this 20%. If you have a 100-acre land, out of that 20% is the most fertile. Less effort, less investment, maximum production. That's possible. So the value of Pareto principle for an individual is that reminds you to focus on the 20% of things that matters. That 20% produce 80% results. So identify and list the task. In the context of business, I have two very, very simple things. IPAs and IRAs. Remember this. Income producing activities, income reducing activities. During your working hours, classify your activities in these 2 areas. And you'll be shocked to see that how many activities you did end of the day which were income reducing activities. Coming to Tajurba morning is income producing activities. Yes or yes? And then apply everything to other things to your life also, to your relationship. What are important to you? Identify the root cause of each problem. Score problems. Group problem together by the root cause. We must have done a root cause analysis throughout our life. Add up the scores for each group and take action. So this is Eisenhower matrix is one of the simplest tool. This was used by, Stephen Covey also. First thing first. Urgent and important, for example, the kitchen catching fire, a deadline to submit tax reports, a baby crying. Urgent and important nahi hai. And most of us, we are doing firefighting all day. Not urgent, not important, doing exercise, doing term planning, working on a project. Everybody, there's difference in knowing and doing. Everybody knows networking is important. But still, people don't attend meetings, people don't network, they keep on working. Whereas when you network, you never have to chase business. Business comes to you, it comes to me all the time. Networking is my top priority. That's why I'm here early morning. Slept 2 o'clock, got up 6 o'clock, prepared, ready. So urgent and not important are various interruptions, dealing with annoying people, time pass activities. And activities that just waste time, procrastination, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. These are not urgent, not important. Use Facebook and WhatsApp only for your business if you have to. So these are the 4 quadrants used by Stephen Covey very, very effectively. So what is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important. How amazing is that? This is another method, POSAC method. Prioritize, organizing, streamlining, economizing, and contributing. You can prioritize whole of your activities, days, and everything according to this. Define your task according to your goals and prioritize your allocation of time. This means to tackle your daily task in order of importance so as to create personal efficiency. What I do personally is every night I will list only 5 important tasks to do. My to-do list is over 70, 80, but I will pick up 5 tasks I have to do tomorrow. That way, when I go to bed, I feel accomplished. If I list 15, 20, I feel very frustrated. Yaar, aaj 10 reh gaya, or I'll keep on, endlessly working and not achieving anything. How many of you are surprised how I am able to achieve so much every day? Meeting all my commitments. Things you have to accomplish regularly to be successful. Family and finances. Streamlining things you may not like to do, but most do. Must do. Things you should do more or even like to do, but they are not pressing, urgent. Pastime, socializing. We must meet, network. It's definitely we must call. I call all my friends on Sunday is my non-working day. I watch a movie every Sunday with my wife Uma. Every Sunday. Night is a movie time. By paying attention to the few remaining things that make a difference, but not immediately, kindness and thoughtfulness. How you can contribute and help someone else. Social obligations. So who are the most important people in your life? I want you, everyone, take few seconds, make notes. Right now, who are the 5 most people important in your life? Just ask yourself. Once you have identified those people, follow up by asking yourself if you currently spend an appropriate amount of time with them. Your wife, your brother, your best friend. 5 most important people. And if you do that, you are on the right track. But most people don't spend time. Most people don't do that. There's a difference in knowing and doing. We all know that exercise is important. We all know how to have a great diet, nutritious diet. How many of we do it? Networking is important. How many of we do it? So ask yourself, what are the 5 things that you enjoy doing most? Whether it is biking, hanging out with friends and family, cooking, crafting, आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? List 5 things. ज़्यादा नहीं. Are you spending proper time currently doing those activities? You know, these 2 slides are very, very important. 5 most important people and 5 most important activities will change your entire life. Do you wish that you could spend more time doing those activities? Are there other activities that you are spending time on that you don't enjoy as much? You are living someone else's life, as Steve Jobs said. So what are the accomplishments that make you feel fulfilled? Maybe it's something that you're already doing, like providing a home-cooked meal every evening, or making sure that your loved one have their basic needs met. Make sure that you are devoting enough time to those accomplishments. Because at the end of the day, only your achievements will speak, your name live on forever through your good deeds. Action speaks more than the words. Every foreigner don't come to become king. Every defeat is not end of the life. He was rejected by All India Radio. आज हम फोन उठाते हैं, कोरोना वायरस पे आवाज इन्हीं शख्स की चलती है. 2 गज की दूरी सबसे है जरूरी. Success don't give guarantee to have friends. Rajesh Khanna, superstar of our days. Every person wearing less clothes is not always Mallika Sehrawat. Every marriage is not always for 7 births. 7 जन्मों का साथ हर टाइम नहीं होता है. And every rain is not romantic. Every player cannot play forever. Every Sardar is not for the joke. Every color is not the color of Holi. Every tear is not always for pain. खुशी के भी आंसू होते हैं. Weakest person is actually the strongest person because he still survives. So if father's advice, today my father told me, just go for it and give it a try. You don't have to be a professional to build a successful product. A mature started Google and Apple. Professional build the Titanic. You are perfect in your imperfection. Remember that. The power of uniqueness. A very successful businessman is 70. What is his top 3 tips for success? He smiled and said, read something no one else is reading. Think something no one else is thinking, and do something no one else is doing. Success is when you look back at your life and the memories make you smile. When you're sitting in that rocking chair, when you're old and you're telling your stories and stories to your grandchildren and the neighbors' children, make sure your story is damn good. Write that story. The pen is in your hand. You are the Michelangelo. My brother passed away on 25th November a few days back. We all brothers, sisters and cousins were there within an hour. I thought we should have gotten together like this more often. And this COVID, we haven't met each other in last 10 months. Couldn't meet my brother when he went to hospital 15 days. Never came back from there. When was the last time you told your loved ones, I love you? Most of us spend too much time on what is urgent and not enough time what is important. Physics isn't the most important thing, love is. Your smile is. The life you left is a gift, cherish it. Enjoy it now to the fullest. Do what matters now. The principle of priority state, you must know the difference between what is urgent and what is important. You must do what is important first. Good for you, and be proud of yourself because you have your priorities in order. Be proud of yourself if you are responsible, reliable, persistent, and take your job and education seriously, your relationship seriously. I do know that when I'm 60, I should be attempting to achieve different personal goals than those which are priority. Every time your priority will change. So keep resetting your priorities every 1st of January.